Every cosmic object has a beginning and an end. Even our beautiful home galaxy, the Milky Way, will one day meet its demise. But how exactly will it happen? Today on Knowledge Hub, we'll take a glimpse into the distant future to explore how the Milky Way will end. Buckle up, because the story of our galaxy's death is as dramatic as it is inevitable. The Milky Way is a spiral galaxy that formed about 13.6 billion years ago, shortly after the Big Bang. For billions of years, it has grown by merging with smaller galaxies and pulling in gas and stars from its surroundings. But the forces that built our galaxy will ultimately lead to its destruction, and the final chapter of the Milky Way's story will unfold in a cosmic collision, one that's already in motion. Astronomers know that the Andromeda Galaxy, our closest galactic neighbor, is on a direct collision course with the Milky Way. Traveling at 110 kilometers per second, Andromeda will collide with the Milky Way in about 4 to 5 billion years. This event will be unlike anything humanity has ever imagined, a slow but colossal merger between two giant galaxies stretching over millions of years. So, what will happen during this cosmic crash? Surprisingly, the individual stars and planets within both galaxies won't collide. The distances between stars are so vast that direct collisions are extremely rare. Instead, gravitational forces will pull and distort both galaxies, scattering their stars and reshaping them into one massive elliptical galaxy. Our familiar spiral arms will be no more, replaced by a hazy elliptical cloud of stars. At the heart of this new galaxy will be supermassive black holes, one from the Milky Way and one from Andromeda. These two black holes will spiral toward each other, merging into one gigantic black hole. As this happens, the central regions of the merged galaxy will flare with brilliant jets of energy, releasing bursts of radiation into the universe. But what about our solar system? Will Earth survive the merger? The answer is unclear. It's possible that the gravitational chaos could fling the Sun and everything orbiting it into the far reaches of the new galaxy, or even into intergalactic space. If we're lucky, the solar system will drift to a new location, far from the galactic core where radiation and gravitational disturbances are strongest. Fortunately, life on Earth won't need to worry about this collision. By the time Andromeda arrives, the Sun will have become a red giant, expanding and consuming the inner planets, including Earth. Our home planet will already be uninhabitable long before the galaxies collide. The merger of the Milky Way and Andromeda will mark the beginning of a new, enormous galaxy. Some astronomers have already named it Milkomeda, or Milkdromeda. But this new galaxy won't last forever either. Over trillions of years, its stars will slowly burn out, leaving behind a dark, cold remnant of what was once a vibrant cosmic structure. Eventually, all galaxies in the universe will face the same fate. As the universe continues to expand, galaxies will drift apart and star formation will cease. The universe will grow colder and darker until ultimately only black holes remain. And after even those decay through a process called Hawking radiation, the universe will enter what physicists call the heat death, a state of total stillness where no energy or movement is left. The death of the Milky Way is a reminder of the impermanence of all things, even on the grandest scales. But while the end of our galaxy is billions of years away, it's also part of a larger cosmic story, one of birth, growth, destruction, and renewal. Galaxies come and go, but the universe carries on, constantly evolving in ways we're only just beginning to understand. The story of the Milky Way's death is far from a tragedy. It's a chapter in the endless cycle of creation and transformation that shapes the universe. As we explore the cosmos, we are reminded that everything changes, but every ending is also a new beginning. Thank you for joining us on Knowledge Hub. If you found this journey into the future of our galaxy fascinating, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more cosmic adventures. Until next time, keep exploring, because the universe has many stories left to tell.